What is up, guys? Welcome to CJ's Vlogs and welcome to another video. We are heading to our Ferrari track day today and it's a bit busy. It's something you see behind you every day. One F8 Tributo. We have another F8 Tributo. Those are both our demos. We've got a few other cars there. And of course we have the Lusso. Are you ready for your first time in the Lusso?
Woo! Yes, first time.
Oh, cold start.
Oh, jeez. Wow.
Nice. Another thing I want to show you is the practicality of this car. We managed to get 2 rims in there. How insane. Okay, this is going to be amazing. So before I was interrupted by all of this, we're heading to the track day today, so we're an entire convoy of cars. We're going to try and shoot some stuff on the way. Keegan! We gotta have that technical support on track days. You ready?
Yes, you.
Such a stunning view. That's Giallo Triple Strato, Portofino, F8.
Tire pressure low, left rear 1.5, best nearest garage.
Follow, straight. That looks incredible. Not something you see behind you every day. Stunning. What do you think of the Lusso?
Stunning. The sound. Oh my gosh.
Sound. Nothing like a Ferrari V12, right?
Eh? Yeah.
Nothing like a V12.
How does the F8 sound?
F8?
Yeah.
F8 sounds amazing. Let us pass us and then we can go. Only 40 k's an hour. Oh my gosh. How's your tire temp? Cold? This car is beautiful.
Oh wow. Wow. It is stunning.
That car's so quick.
It is. Sure.
You don't realize how fast it is because, let me close the windows. You drive it and you're like, this is a quick car, and then you compare it against something even as powerful as the Lusso.
Yeah.
And then it does something like that.
Pulls away like nothing. Eh?
Okay.
Oh.
It's brutal,
Watch the glass.
it's quick,
So you easy, and then you what? And then.
What I do is I pull away, but I immediately go to second gear for traction.
But then it just boom.
Yeah, because if you stay too long at first gear, you spin, you lose traction. So immediately to second gear.
But this thing, it goes like this.
Yeah. That's first and the second immediately. I learned that from quad racing. Straight, huh?
Great. Next set of lights we go in right.
Next set.
Yeah.
Any day.
We have to go through the tunnel.
Yes, the tunnel.
The tunnel. The tunnel's gonna sound amazing. What do you think of Lusso so far?
I'm blown away. I thought it was a soft, gentle, subtle car, but my word. This thing is a monster.